Greetings from Alaska. Today's April 10th, the day after Easter, and it snowed basically all weekend, off and on. And it continues to snow, which it will continue to until Wednesday. It's about 20 degrees outside, and I just wanted to show you guys the snow pile in my front yard that's been accumulating all season. And I wish Priya was here to see how big this pile is. It is huge. It's going to take to the end of May probably to melt all the way, and usually we're out there chipping at it when it warms up enough. But this is my street. Lots of snow still coming. And I'll show you, we have ice on our garage, which thankfully our roof is pretty decent. There's been a couple of roofs that have collapsed because they're flat. They're mostly older businesses. Unfortunately, a couple people have died from them this season. So you can look at, I don't know how you can see, the ice is pretty thick there. A couple of my friends have had some roof damage and some issues going on in their walkway when they enter their house, and their kitchen area has to be redone. So that's pretty thick there. So I just wanted to show you the snow. We're bad about cleaning the driveway because we have to do it by hand. I think we're the only ones in the neighborhood without a snow blower. And I did clear the walkway here just now. We've gotten at least probably about 4 inches, maybe more. And I'm so tired of the snow. I want spring. Spring will be good. Anyways, like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.